So I'm Claire, and as a fitness and nutrition coach, what I love about Big Mountain Foods is that the food is not only high in protein, but it's so versatile and so easy to incorporate into your meal preps. And I've got Kaide here, who is actually one of my clients. So not only is Kaide a chef, but one of my clients. So we're gonna be showing you how easy it is to use Big Mountain Foods with your meal preps.
Absolutely. That's probably one of my favorite things about them. They make it so easy and all the ingredients are so pure and whole. So I try to stay away from things that are processed, especially within the plant-based realm. So using these ingredients, like you know everything that's in it, and it just makes it like so simple and straightforward.
Yeah. A lot of those mock meats are filled with we don't know what. So what I love about this is you can pronounce the ingredients, you know every single ingredient, you have them at home. So we're gonna make some delicious food. So we're gonna be making a bowl today. Kaide, what are we gonna be making?
We're making the Green Goddess bowl. So we're going on like a real like fresh Mediterranean vibe. So we've got some olives, some tomatoes, some hummus, and we're gonna be using the Big Mountain mushroom bites today and the cauliflower crumble there. Which is awesome. Yeah, these guys have 4 grams of protein per 2 bites, which is like awesome. And then the big winner here is actually the cauliflower crumble. So per serving, it has 11 grams of protein. So when we're adding both of those in, we're hitting that like 20-gram protein mark per meal.
Which is almost like the same as a chicken breast.
Yeah, it's like, I think it's 13 grams per like 3 ounces or 100 grams or something like that.
Yeah. So what I love about the Mighty Mushroom Bites is the ingredients. So I'm gonna read a few. We've got split peas, shiitake mushrooms, spinach, sweet potato, carrots, chia seeds, and Canadian hemp seeds. Yeah. That's amazing.
It's so good. And like, they bring so many good things to the table, not just protein, like antioxidants, other nutrients that you need. Now I'm just gonna make some salsa. And then we'll build some bowls. You wanna open the mushroom bites for me?
Yeah. Let's see. We're gonna need a scissors, or I guess you could.
A chef life right here. Awesome.
They're actually so good.
They're so good. They're so dense.
You can just throw those on anything.
Yeah. Like so this is kind of like, I'm gonna call this like the donair in a bowl kind of concept. So like I wanted to get, you know, that fresh like vegetables and like all the spices and everything too. Fresh herbs, keep it nice and fresh.
And you can always combine all the Big Mountain Food products too. Like you could put the cauliflower crumble with the mushroom bites. So good in like a pita.
Oh yeah, exactly. I was going the gluten-free route today.
So obviously Big Mountain Foods is 100% vegan, which we love because we're both vegan.
Yeah.
So what we've got in the cauliflower crumble, we've got, again, split peas, cauliflower, red pepper, sunflower seeds, coconut oil for those healthy fats. That's what's great too, is not only does it have, it's packed with protein, but it's got those healthy carbs and healthy fats that we need too. So very balanced meal.
Yeah, absolutely. Super balanced.
Yeah, balanced product.
Yeah. And we're gonna add a few things in just to incorporate more, you know, everything that we need in a daily meal. So, you know, they give us like the majority of it, and then we can pair it with a couple nice things. Yeah. And just really have a full meal.
Yeah. And people always wonder, like, where do vegans get their protein? But Big Mountain Food products are packed with protein.
Exactly. Like I said, I think it's 4 grams, so we're gonna do 8 grams because we'll have the 4 patties. And that's a lot right there.
Yummy.
All right, finish up this salsa. Sweet, and then we'll need to open up that cauliflower as well.
You can actually see the red pepper in this.
Oh yeah, totally. And I love that they actually use Canadian grown hemp seeds and peas, which is really great too. So they're trying to keep it.
Supporting Canada.
Yeah, exactly. Trying to support local as best as they can as well. And people don't realize that Canada actually has like a lot of like really awesome like dry goods like that. Like we actually sell, we sell most of the hemp hearts in the world. Manitoba, is the #1 exporter of
hemp seeds is also great for protein.
Yeah,
I
totally.
think people know that.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so we're gonna sear some of this up.
So we are gonna combine the protein sources.
Exactly.
That looks so good.
And then we'll just season this guy a little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. And then we'll give it.
Putting lime in that too.
Oh yeah, citrus is so important to flavor. profile. It brings out so many things, and I think that's how you get away with using less fat.
I can smell the pepper.
Yeah, you get away with
God,
less fat when you use a lot of citrus in your cooking, actually, because it brightens things up and it adds so much flavor.
See, I would just like microwave that and eat it out of the package. But I mean, that still works.
Yeah, totally.
If you are lazy like me.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, we're gonna make a nice meal here with this, though.
But still easy, right? That's the
yeah,
thing.
Like, so
easy.
easy.
You can throw it in containers.
Yeah, exactly.
Be healthy.
Totally.
Get your protein, get your carbs, get your healthy fats.
Yeah, this bowl in total probably takes 15 minutes to put together. You know what I mean? Like I pre-chopped the cucumbers, like cut some stuff or whatever. But yeah, it's a really simple, easy recipe that you can just do like a bunch of this in one day and eat the same thing for 5 days, right? And so that's kind of the best way to go about it. Yes, you do. Totally.
What is that?
Cilantro and some parsley. Lots of fresh herbs are gonna add so much flavor too. Again, trying to stay away from like mostly like adding any extra fat as much as possible.
Right.
But still wanting to get flavor, so we'll season that a little bit too. Some salt,
Yummy.
some pepper, the lime juice. Boom, I'm gonna add some more olives actually as well.
You want me to start liking olives?
I do. They're so good for you. They have like iron and magnesium in them, and like they're really, I didn't realize how important they actually are to a vegan diet.
Really?
Yeah, because they add so many things that you don't get from certain like it's better than getting it from like, you know, like a supplement.
Okay.
In my opinion, like if you can get them from your Whole Foods, then why not? All right, that looks delicious. We'll let that sear up just a little bit more. Got a nice crisp sear on the mushroom bites.
These are flavored with, let's see, liquid smoke.
Yeah, so they get a little bit of smoky flavor to them, which is good. Cool. Okay, I think we're ready to build our bowl. That looks really yummy.
Let's do it.
Okay, so we're just gonna add some spinach. Spinach is a great, obviously vegetable. It has
source
so
of
many
protein.
good things. Yeah, iron as well. All your leafy greens are gonna have lots of vitamin K, lots of iron. So
do you think it's better to have spinach raw or to have it cooked?
I personally like it raw.
Yeah.
I think it's better than you're not cooking out the nutrients.
Right.
Obviously cooked spinach is also delicious, but yeah, I just for this kind of stuff I like to keep it fresh. It adds like a bit of like hydration to the meal, and like some of this stuff can really get dried out. So adding, you know, different layers of these like fresh vegetables just keep it nice and hydrated, so it's easier to eat. So, yeah.
Delicious.
So we're gonna use one portion of this, which I believe was a quarter cup. One serving. There's 4 in a can. Yeah, I believe it's quarter cup. So we're just gonna sprinkle that over our spinach as our base. Beautiful. So 4 tablespoons is a quarter cup. That's about right.
So quarter cup is how much protein?
It was 11 grams.
11 grams.
Yeah, and then we're doing 4 of the mushroom bites. So that's another 8 grams protein. So altogether we are sitting at, what is that? I'm terrible at math. 19? Yeah.
1, 2, 3, I don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
19?
It's 19. And then we've got some roasted red pepper hummus here. So that's gonna add a little bit of extra protein too, and obviously some delicious flavor. Some fresh diced cucumber. A bit of our salsa mix. So the olives, and there's tomato and red onion in there, and all those fresh ingredients with the limes. Just get all of that on there because it's so good. And then this is a cashew garlic dressing, which is super thick. So just give me a second. There we go. Okay, cool. And then we're just gonna drizzle that right over. That actually also adds a little bit of protein too from those cashews. So you get about, I think, another 3 grams per tablespoon.
So total would be?
That's 19 plus, let's say 3. So 22.
We're around 20. 20
23?
grams of
yeah,
protein.
20 grams of protein is like a fair representation.
And it's so colorful.
And it's so colorful. You should eat your rainbow. You should eat the rainbow. It's like so important, especially in a vegan diet, like getting all of those things that we need when it comes to like all the amino acids, all the antioxidants. Like they are found in plants. We just have to go find them, right? And then I always add pumpkin seeds to pretty much everything.
And those are packed with protein too.
As well. So yes, this will be one of the meal kits that I would bring to you when you order your food.
Yeah.
It's the Greek
That's
gospel.
amazing.